In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an automation to be sent after Autoresponder in Getresponse. To begin, log into your Getresponse account and look at the main navigation. Go to Tools and then choose Automation. This is where you build workflows that react to what your subscribers do, like opening an email, clicking a link, or making a purchase. Once you are in automation, click Create Workflow. When you see the options for templates, choose Build from Scratch. Starting from scratch is ideal here because you want a simple, clean automation that starts after a specific autoresponder is opened. Now it is time to set the trigger. From the available starting conditions, select Message Opened. This means the workflow will only run after a subscriber opens the email you specify, which is a good way to follow up with people who have already shown engagement. On the right side panel, you will see settings for this condition. Find Select Message Type and set it to Autoresponder. This step matters because Getresponse can track opens from different message types, and you want to target the autoresponder specifically. Next, choose your specific autoresponder name from the list. Take a moment to confirm you picked the correct one, especially if you have several autoresponders with similar names. Selecting the right message ensures your workflow triggers at the correct point in your funnel. After the trigger is in place, you will add a delay. From the right sidebar, drag the wait element onto the canvas and connect it to the message opened condition. This pause helps you avoid sending follow-up messages too quickly and gives subscribers time to read and absorb the autoresponder content. Click the wait block and set the wait time to 1 day. A 1-day delay is a common timing choice because it keeps your follow-up timely without feeling immediate or automated. Now drag a send message element from the right sidebar and connect it to the wait block. This is the email that will go out after the 1-day delay. In the Send Message settings, select Automation as the message type. Then choose the email you want to send. Make sure the email is already created and finalized so you can select it without needing to pause your workflow setup. Finally, click Publish. Review the workflow details, and when everything looks correct, click Finish. And that is all there is to it.